Hi, Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness. Is it possible to have a hiatal hernia even though your endoscopy or barium swallow says no, you don't have one? Well, the answer to that is an emphatic yes. It happens all the time. I see cases of this every single day. We have people that come in with an endoscopy that says they have a small hiatal hernia, and then we have other people that have hiatal hernias that also get an endoscopy, but the endoscopy says they don't have one, it's negative. Well, endoscopies in barium swallows have a 40 to 50% accuracy rate. Imagine if I was 40 to 50% accurate in my diagnosis. Man, I would be sued by now. I've been 25 years in practice, never been sued. Have I been wrong in a diagnosis? Yeah, maybe. It's possible, misdiagnosed, but 40 to 50% of the time, seeing patients? No. No. Definitely not. That's an awful success rate. So, endoscopies and barium swallows are lousy tests. Do not hang your hat up on that. I did a great video on the finger test for hiatal hernia. Please check that video out, the finger test. That's a great way to tell if you have a hiatal hernia. Don't worry about the endoscopy. If you want to get one for peace of mind, okay, but an endoscopy is not the best test to check for a hiatal hernia, but it is good to check for ulcers or precancerous cells, Barrett's esophagus, or any kind of erosion or issues in the lining of the esophagus. So it has its merit, but as far as diagnosing a hiatal hernia, it's not a great test. I hope you check out the finger test and see if you have a hiatal hernia. Don't hang your hat up on that endoscopy negative test. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.